YouTube, y'all see where we at with it, man. We back up in the lab ski and we got another project. It is not a laptop, it is not a big full desktop rig, believe it or not. It's this phone right here. So this customer reached out to me and asked me if I could fix this phone right here. And y'all know me, I'm not going to give up on the opportunity, but yo, look how bad this phone is. I mean, this whole back right here is destroyed. This whole front is destroyed. Look at that screen. I mean, that shit is really shattered. We gonna get this shit right. We gonna get it all fixed up nice and all that for the customer and whatnot. You know what I mean? Hey, this is damage, but I'm confident that I could do what I could do and I could really apply myself and fix this phone. I mean, come on now, y'all see what I've done in the past. Like, gang, look at this. The back battery right here is showing. That whole back charging area is literally busting out the phone. Like, it's busting out the seams, you feel me? The main phone camera in the back, bro, that is literally cracked. Like, it's literally, the lens is cracked, so there's no coming back from that. Shit is one wicked sight to see. And before we get started with this assembly, there are a few things we have to open. So I got a few packages right here, you feel me? Number one, starting off, we got a battery for this phone, you feel me? It's gonna need a new battery because this battery is no longer good. And I mean, while we're in here and while we're opening everything up, we might as well replace everything, right? You feel me? Sounds valid. It's nice that it came with tools as well. I got a lot of those, but I still love that it came with that. We also right here got the screen. Y'all already know what it looked like in the earlier clips. I ain't gonna flip it around no more. You feel me? We gotta get straight to work on this. But yeah, this is the new screen right here. And then we also got an entire new frame right here for this phone. And the reason we got this is because this frame is no longer going to be salvageable for the simple fact that that camera lens is literally busting out the seams right there. That's not salvageable, and you can't even find a replacement part for that. So it's just best to go ahead and replace the entire frame housing, take out the logic board, swap the logic board from this phone right here, the no longer good phone, into this good phone right here. Put your new screen on and you are good to go. This has an included battery with it, an OEM Apple battery, but we're going to take that out because this, I believe in the listing, said it was at 89%, and our new battery is going to be at full 100% capacity. So that's what we're going to end up doing. Alright, so we up in the lab ski. As y'all see the setting and what we in, man. You feel me? Hey, and we got some updates. But yo, real quick, peep my new chair. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all this in another clip, or it may be a different segment that I was talking about. But yo, we got a new office chair for the setup. And I mean, yo, look at this. I'm gonna do a little 360 for y'all and all that. Pause. But hey, man, y'all peep the chair and all that. My armrests come up. I got fully adjustable armrests and all that. Yo, this is tough. We got updates with the phone. So before I show y'all this real quick, I'm super proud at the work we accomplished on this phone, because y'all seen the condition that this phone originally was in when I started working on it. So to see the progress that I made on this is actually insane. You feel me? Y'all ready to see this? All right, 3, 2, 1. You feel me? Yo, peep this right here. Y'all see this iPhone right here? I fixed this. I did the work up on this phone. The back right here, fully clean. You feel me? The front, fully clean. Yo, y'all can see the PC. Y'all can see me. Yo, the phone's so crystal clear, y'all can see me up on the phone. The reflection, you feel me? We got the phone turning on right now.
just so we can verify that it actually does work and it does power on and we can do things with the phone. You feel me? Got it turning on right now and all that. But yo, I can't believe the work I put in for this phone, man. I can't believe I did it. The progress, it's all there on camera and all that. It is currently disabled right now. It should be available again very soon. If not, I'll just go into one of my softwares and force disable it. Touch and everything like that is working. Yes, sir. We can go ahead and tap in random numbers in here. I mean, bro, this is amazing work right here that I've done. This is amazing work. I'm some kind of wizard man, I'm telling y'all. Just look at how clean this is. And just to show y'all that our progress is really true and legit, let me show y'all something real quick. So this right here, y'all remember this, right? From earlier on in the video. This is the same phone. It's exactly the same, just in a different housing. So we went ahead and swapped everything that was in this phone, everything. The logic board, the Face ID, the proximity sensors, the earpiece, the battery, everything has been swapped from this phone and to this phone right here. With that being said though, this is where I am going to end off the video and call it wraps for today. If y'all did enjoy this video, make sure y'all show some support, you feel me? All support is appreciated. Y'all know that, come on now, you feel me? I love doing these types of projects. This one right here was especially fun because, bro, everything went my way pretty much. Like, everything went according to plan. And that's what I love. That's what I love coming up in this laboratory and I love doing. You feel me? Especially when I got the camera on, rolling, and everything goes my way. I love that, bro. You feel me? So, yes, this right here was a good video. And I feel like this video is going to do very, very good. So, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Peace.